Now, how did I get this black background behind me? Well, make sure you subscribe to my video. You're gonna see how I made that black background for absolutely free, and I think you're gonna be pretty amazed. Hi, my name is Maëlle Antoinette, influencer to Maëlle Professional and leader of Team Face Fairies, and welcome to my channel. The first thing we're going to do is go to canva.com and we're going to make a transparent background. Make sure you use a YouTube thumbnail canvas. You won't have to worry about putting anything in the canvas because we're going to make it transparent. Click on Download and Transparent Background. Locate your transparent background on your computer and drag it into iMovie. Select your transparent frame and then go to the crop button located on the top right hand corner. Click on Crop to Fill. Click on the check next to Reset. Select the video that you want to remove the background. Drag it on top of the background. Go back to the top upper right hand corner. Click on Screen and then select Green Blue Screen. The background isn't removed. Click on the eraser in the cleanup portion to remove the background. If you have any tips and tricks on green screens and blue screens, I love to hear them, and please comment below. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. This is Maëlle International, and remember, you are perfect just the way you are, so you just keep on being you.